Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up with FullStory session data export options, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your FullStory session data, first, log into your FullStory account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find your session data overview. Next, locate the data export option in the main menu. Click on Data Export to access your session data export options. You will see a variety of formats in which you can export your data, such as CSV, JSON, or directly to a third-party service. Choose the format that best fits your needs. If you select CSV, specify the date range for the session data you want to export. Make sure to include any filters necessary to tailor the data to your requirements. Once you have configured your settings, click on the Export button to initiate the process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your export is underway. FullStory will compile your session data and send it to the email address associated with your account. While waiting, consider checking analytics or reports that may provide additional insights. Once you receive the email, open it and download the exported file. For JSON exports, the process remains similar in setting filters and date ranges. Make sure to handle and store the exported files securely to ensure the safety of your data. Regularly schedule your exports to maintain up-to-date backups of your session data. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your FullStory session data with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.